Gus, where's the triangle? Hey, where's the triangle?
Triangle.
Where's the rectangle?
Oval.
Oval. Where's the rectangle?
Rectangle.
Where's the square?
Square.
Where's the heart?
Heart.
Where's the diamond?
Derby.
Where's the star?
Dog.
Where's circle?
Circle.
Show me one. You show one to me.
Oval.
Oval.
We did it.
Show me more. Where's the triangle? Okay. Hey, how do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? G. What comes next? U.